What is going on, boys? It's Tuesday, December 9th, 2025. So yeah, this is the trade I took today, and then we're just going to be going over a recap of everything that I took, basically just breaking everything down. Very simple, no fancy terminology, just what actually happened. So guys, I'm going to give you guys some context before we get into this recap. We're trading MNQ on the 1 minute chart during New York Open. So every day I trade from 9:30 to 11 o'clock. After that, I'm done for the day. I don't trade Asian session. I don't trade London session. I only trade Open of New York. And if I get no trade, then I don't take a trade. So coming into New York Open, price was trending down, as you could see. It swept New York lows from previous day. I don't know why my chart's so fucked up, but this white line right here was previous day New York lows. And that sweep is so important. It's very important. Because when the market takes out the session low, that's usually liquidity, not continuation. So once these lows were taken, I'm no longer interested in the short. You already missed it. I'm not watching for the reversal, and I actually did call this out before market opened. Me and my buddy were trading. I told him, I was telling him, I'm just like, I want to see New York low get hit, and then we get a reversal from New York low, and then transition into the reversal. Liquidity sweep. Price cleanly swept the New York lows, grabbing sell side liquidity, and immediately failed to continue lower. As you could tell right here, this is on the 1 minute. And we took the entry on this candle right here after, because you seen how on this candle right here, it didn't fill like the close, like you see the wicks. You don't want to take the trade off that. Only if it closes past the box, the imbalance. So guys, that's the first key piece. Liquidity getting taken and then continuation of fail. That's how you know the move was a stop run and not a real bearish intent. Reversal confirmation. After the sweep, price pushes back up to get a shift in direction. Then on the 1 minute, we get an inversion right here. As the first candle and then the third candle, and then you make this is the imbalance, the gap between the first and the third candle. Also the market inefficiency. Do that. That inversion is my entry confirmation. I'm not guessing. I'm not predicting. I'm reacting to what price already showed me. Nothing complicated. Liquidity taken, reversal, inversion formed, enter on the retrace. Pretty simple, boys. Pretty simple. That's literally all it is. Literally all I did. And then, guys, for the stop loss, I like to put my stop loss under the imbalance just in case, because price do like to wick sometimes. So this would have been the best option, but I do like to make my stop loss pretty tight, just because if I already seeing it going past this imbalance, I don't really like to wait that long, to be honest. So that's why I did put my stop loss over there. If price comes back down into these lows again, then the idea is invalid and I'm out. Okay? So after we get by this box, I'm already pretty skeptical and I want to leave that trade because the probability was not there and trade wasn't there. Defined risk. One idea. If I'm wrong fast. Because I know that's a reaction level. That's where New York session previously opened, and that's where price already showed interest. I'm not holding a home run. I'm taking an obvious objection. So guys, the trade management, once price starts moving away from the inversion, the job is done. I don't babysit the trade. I don't move stop emotionally. I let it either hit my stop loss or hit my target. And guys, this is a perfect example because we're up about $500 on my on the alpha account. So I have two evals. Made about $1,000 though, but we're up like $500, and then my buddy was just like, "Should I just take out the 500?" But no, we don't want to do that. If I already set my stop loss and my take profit, it either hits my take profit, break even, because we already after. Oh yeah, let's go over that actually, where I took my break even. So guys, break even is right above this high right here. That's where I put my break even. So once we hit that, put my break even, and then we full TP'd though right off the bat. So I mean, look at that. How long did that take? 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minutes, boys. 5 minutes to make $400. Not bad. Why this trade actually works. This trade is simple and repeatable because it's based on order flow logic, no indicators. Liquidity sweep tells me who's getting trapped. This yellow box right here shows me exactly that. Reversal tells me the direction is changing, okay? And then after that, the inversion gives me an entry precision. Guys, right here, we got out this inversion, take the entry right off the inversion. Stop below lows giving me defined risk. Target a session open gives me a logical TP. Nothing random and nothing emotional. So guys, this trade was a liquidity sweep, reversal, inversion, execution, and then after that, we took take profit at structure. All right, guys. Hope to see you guys at the next recap video. Have a good one. Check you boys out.